This is the City of Titusville, a City Hall and Commons Basin tree box project. A tree box is a box that gets placed next to a stormwater inlet in an already installed stormwater system. The box consists of a nutrient reducing media that goes in the box. As the stormwater goes through it, it helps reduce the nitrogen and phosphorus within the stormwater. You also place a tree inside the tree box. Those tree roots uptake the nitrogen and phosphorus to help the tree grow, so it removes it from the stormwater before it enters the Indian River Lagoon.
These tree boxes are part of an LID project, or low impact development, and that's a way to capture and treat stormwater in more urban areas where you can't put large stormwater treatments like ponds.
The Indian River Lagoon is very important to the city and Brevard County as a whole. It helps tourism, it brings people to our city, and protecting the animals and the plants that live in the lagoon is very important. And this is the first tree box project that the city has done. We would not have been able to do this project without help from the Save Our Indian River Lagoon program.
Many cities have been incorporating LID projects to help treat their stormwater. Homeowners can help out by incorporating similar practices on a smaller scale as well. They can install things like rain gardens that help slow down the stormwater, or rain barrels that trap the stormwater. If they live along the water, they can install a no-mow buffer zone of plants that will help absorb that nutrient pollution before it gets into the water. Find out ways that you can join us in helping to get to a healthier lagoon faster. Go to lagoonloyal.com.